Export and update of Joomla content from Nicepage application. Exporting articles and extension from application. There are changes on your Nicepage project. You can export and import the Nicepage articles and extension to your existing Joomla website. Run the installed Nicepage application for Windows or Mac OS. Open your working project. Create a new page using templates or from scratch. Click the Export button. In the Export dialog, select the Joomla tab. Uncheck the theme box. Please make sure you have the Pages and Editor plugin extension for Joomla box checked. Click the Export button to export the zip file with the articles and extension. Reinstalling Extension. Open your Joomla administrator. Go to Extensions, Manage. Locate and uninstall the components of the previously installed Nicepage extension if it exists. You may leave the Nicepage template. Your articles will not be affected by the removal of the extension. Go to Extensions, Manage, Install. Drag or browse for the exported zip with Joomla articles and extension. After the installation, go to Nicepage, Import Data. You can skip this step if you do not need to import content. Replacing content. You can update articles previously created in the desktop application by exporting and replacing them on your Joomla website, while other articles will stay unchanged. It helps if you work mainly on your desktop application and then move changes to your Joomla website. On the import page, drag or browse for the exported zip with the Joomla articles and extension. Check the Replace Imported Content box. Click the Import button. Go to Content Articles. Switch windows to compare your Joomla articles to your desktop pages. You have learned how to export the articles and extension from the Nicepage desktop application, how to update the Nicepage Joomla extension and replace the content.